Jamaica College is represented by Rayoma Muir, Mason J. Edwards, Marvin White, and Jamarli Banton. Munro College is represented by Theodore Tomlinson, Antonio King, Joash Salmon, and Tajoni Brown. Hello everyone. Welcome to the third and deciding match in this quarterfinal series. Jamaica College won the opening match to take 1-0 lead, but Munro College responded and won the second match. Tonight, it's win or go home for either team, with the victor taking a place in the semi-finals. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Munro College won. They decided to go first, and so we will begin with Munro College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Munro, we begin with French. What is the English translation for Je n'ai pas le choix?
I do not like
Choupoi.
I do not like camel.
I do not like camel.
No, I have no choice. Jamaica College, your French question. What is the English translation for Ce ne vaut pas la peine?
I do not want to go.
I don't want to go.
No, it's not worth it. International affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Ram Kadra Podil.
Correct. International affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Haitham bin Tariq.
Haitham bin Tariq.
Will we accept, Madam Judge? It's incomplete, but let's move on. Munro, geography. What is the capital of Estonia?
Tallinn.
Correct. Jamaica College, what is the capital of Laos?
Vientiane.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, Munro. In which Jamaican parish are the Nanny Falls located?
Portmore. No, port.
Land.
Portland.
Portland.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, Jamaica College, the Nanny Falls in Portland are under the jurisdiction of which maroon settlement?
Morton.
Correct. Music for Munro. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with eyes.
Jolene.
Correct. Music, Jamaica College. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song.
Something on my mind. You see, I haven't been the same.
Where the broken hearts go.
Where the broken hearts go.
Correct. Principles of business for Munro. What factor or which factor of production earns rent?
Land. Labor. Capital. Land.
Correct. Principles of business, Jamaica College. What is the two-word name for the concept that explains satisfaction gained from consuming one more unit?
The one keyword. Reaching
Returns.
Incorrect. Marginal utility.
Come on.
Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
All right. Miles Cotton.
Incorrect. Lakeith Stanfield. Theatre and cinema for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Billy Shield.
Incorrect. Paul Racy. And Munro, biology. How many chromosomes are in a human somatic cell?
Somatic class 6 cell. So 23.
23.
Incorrect. 46. Biology for Jamaica College. What is the alternate form of a human gene called?
Allele.
Correct. Sports for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Washington Sundar.
Correct. Sports for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ravindra.
Ravindra.
Correct. English language for Munro. Spell the word bureaucracy.
Bureaucracy.
Correct. English language for Jamaica College. Spell the word anachronistic.
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 Correct. Chemistry for Munro. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are Jamaica College 6, Munro College on 7. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns right after these messages.